Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is my Sube. So if you want to learn how I made this pleated headband, please ensure to keep on watching and then hit the subscribe button. See you guys soon. Okay guys, first and first, we're going to be working with two cutouts of Aso Oke. Length is 35 inches. So as usual, I joined it my own way of joining. This is how I joined the two Aso Okes together. So by the time you open it, it's going to look like this. Now the next thing you're going to do is to fold the edge on this side. Let's say this is the right hand side, and then you come over to the left hand side as well and fold it in the same way, just like that. You fold the same way. Now what you're going to do next is to bring the two folded ends and put it together, then you fold it into two, just as you're seeing. Now the next thing you're going to do is to run your stitch like in a C form. You're going to run your stitch like this. I'll be back after running the stitch to show you what it looks like. Now this is after running the stitch in my sewing machine. This is what it looks like, just a top stitch, nothing serious. The next thing we're going to be doing is forming our pleat. So from this point, I'm going to be forming it to the opposite point. So you just carefully form your pleat. Take your time, don't be in a hurry. Just form your pleat and get to the end. Now once you're done forming your pleat, just ensure to extend your Aso Oke a little bit, and then with your matching color of needle and thread, you're going to be tacking it down and holding it in place, just as I'm doing. So guys, if this is your first time stopping by in my channel, do well to click on that subscribe button, join the family, and I promise you we're not going to fail you. This channel is a channel where everything that has to do with Aso Oke fascinator, different kind of headwears that you can think of, you can always get it in this channel. So stay tuned and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to properly secure your needle and thread to avoid any kind of mishap. Then cut off the excess thread. The next thing we're going to do now is to be attaching this what will I call it, pleated fan. Let me just call it the pleated fan. We just attach this pleated fan to our Alice band. So this is my Alice band I've already covered with Aso Oke. I'll leave a link in the description box on how to cover your Aso Oke or your Alice band with Aso Oke. Now with our hot glue, we're going to be applying a little bit of hot glue on the Alice band, not on the pleated Aso Oke, on the Alice band. And now we're going to gently place it to the position where we want it. Now you want this a little bit by the side, you don't want it in the middle, because I don't know, the look is somehow if you place it in the middle. So make sure it's going to be at the side. So give it a press hold and you're good to go. Alright, so guys, as you know now, we're not going to stop here. We're going to beautify this particular headband with our applique. So today, this is the particular applique we'll be working with. So I'm just trying to measure it out to make sure that everything is in the right position. Next thing I'm going to do is to use the to use the hot glue to apply the applique down to the headband. So guys, just give it a press hold and give it some seconds, everything will be good to go, and I believe it's strong right now. So guys, this is how I made this beautiful one-sided pleated Aso Oke fascinator. Anything you want to give it a name, go ahead and give it. So this is the outcome, this is the finished look. I hope you like it and I hope you learned something today. So guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to share my video, like and comment. See you guys, bye.